All right, guys, you were used to seeing us on the backyard mini ramp. We were taking it to the streets, to the skate park. You can't really see it, as Ryan pointed out. It's behind us. Normally I do a lot of tricks on 3.5 foot transition. Today we're gonna see what we can take to the bigger ramp. Took some spills out here. My body's definitely gonna be feeling it, but backside disaster was the goal today. We got it on the big ramp, so it felt pretty good. How you feeling, Rylan?
Scary.
Super scary, but did it. Nice day. See you guys next time.
Video sponsored by Triple Eight.
You guys do it.
Hell yeah. First try, my man.
Let's go!